I'm Cyrus Guerrero Maloles 12 Fortitude modem failure. Thus modem dial EPS ISP pickup. You should be able to hear the ISP modem pickup and whistle and hiss back at your modem through the speaker. EPS can't negotiate connects. This error is too generic to help much with troubleshooting. Redial several times without changing anything to make sure you aren't just encountering an overloaded modem pool. EPS ISP confirm user info. To avoid errors, confirm your login information with your ISP and re-enter your password. If error occur randomly, they are likely due to weather and the time of day, as these factors affect the circuit condition of the telco infrastructure. Stormy and damp weather can degrade older telephone networks, while mid-afternoon periods can cause increased line noise. EPS connect at lower speed. To adjust the modem connection speed, change the maximum speed in control panel. However, these settings may not work after rebooting. Use the modem control string to force V.34 compatibility, and if successful, try modem failure diagnostics. If yes again, proceed to modem performance. Plug in your LAN cable or connect to Wi-Fi, then use a speed test like speedtest.net to run and check the download speed and upload speed. DOS modem dial. If no, then no dial tone. Make sure you have the patch cord from the modem to the wall jack plug into line jack of modem. Best driver installed. Have you installed the latest modem driver from the manufacturer's website? If your modem is integrated on the motherboard, update the motherboard driver. Older driver may be shipped due to shelf life or of a recent operating system release. If download latest driver from web.